up, dolls? Today I'm going to be telling you how I manage my breakage as well as my new growth. So let's get into the video. So this video is for anyone who is experienced or experiencing breakage, or if you have new growth and it is just dry and thick and you don't know what to do with it. Low porosity, high porosity, it doesn't matter. We all need moisture in our hair. So the key thing is the number one, find out what type of porosity you are. Then by that, you'll know what type of products work best with your hair. If you're a high porosity girl, you must deep condition your hair at least 2 times a month, and that's at least. I recommend, as I do, to deep condition your hair every week. Get yourself a regimen so that your hair can be used to it. Find your deep conditioner that you love and deep condition every week. You already know your porosity because you researched it. Second thing, you're now, based on the porosity of your hair, you are finding out what type of hair products your porosity hair likes. Then you are deep conditioning every week. I'm high porosity. I deep condition my hair every week. I do experience breakage. I'm not going to get on here and say that I do not and have not experienced breakage. I do get dry new growth, and sometimes very difficult to manage because my hair is, not only is it relaxed, but it is so thick and my strands are so thin. They have the tendency also, because of the porosity of my hair, to get into knots. So I know that if I deep condition, it will soften up that hair and then allow me to comb through it a lot better without breaking it. So the second key is you have to make sure that you have protein. Do a protein, a hard protein, at least 1 time out of the month. And then what I would recommend is to do a lighter protein each week. Alpha G is one protein line that I love. You can do the 2-minute reconstructorizer. I love it. And you can do the 2-minute reconstructorizer every week. Every week, I'm suggesting that if you find that product or find you another one, because there's other products that have keratin, which is protein. If you see anything that has keratin in it, or repairs damaged hair, or strengthen the hairs, those are usually going to be protein. But if anything, keratin means protein. So find yourself a keratin based moisturizer, shampoo, whatever the case may be, and use that product. Once you do your protein, then you're going to follow up with a deep conditioner every time. Protein, deep condition. Protein, deep condition. If you do this, you will train your hair to expect a deep condition, to expect a protein. Like your hair, just like you would train a child or train a dog, or you're training your hair. So I've done this, and now I know automatically if my hair has had too much moisture or if my hair has had too much protein, my hair will respond. The symptoms that it displays is, 1, if it's too much protein, my hair will be very hard, very brittle, very dry. And if I have too much moisture, my hair will be very gummy-like. It will be very soft, and it will break. Both areas will break. But I can really tell, like getting a strand, if my hair just like bends, like stretches like a rubber band, is too much moisture. And if my hair literally, if I do like this and it just pops, like it literally pops, it's too much protein. So again, once you find a regimen that works for you, you will learn how to read, hear, whatever words you want to say, as to what your hair is wanting from you. I've done this, and this is how I've managed to keep breakage from occurring as much, as well managing to soften up my new growth. It is a must. Your hair journey, if you're really in tune with your hair, you will definitely be able to read it right away without you having to go through, like, a tremendous amount of breakage or balding or whatever the case may be. So that is literally how I've managed it. It's taken me a while, I would say, because I thought I could just kind of figure, just jump into it and like, oh, my hair needs this, or oh, my hair needs that, or oh, my hair likes this, or it's more than just like what your hair likes, because my hair may like the moisture one week, but may not like it the next week, because again, I've had a moisture overload. I didn't know that I needed protein as much as I know now because of learning about the high porosity of my hair. So again, learn your hair type, and then you'll know how to take care of your hair. Find a regimen, create a regimen that is working for you. Everybody on YouTube's hair porosity is different. Everything that Julie, Keisha, Susie that is using on YouTube is not going to work for you. So again, find someone who has the same porosity. Don't look and say, oh, her hair looks just like mine. Girl, looks has nothing to do with anything. It's a porosity. And again, high porosity hair, it requires moisture. It absorbs moisture. It's a must for us. And the strands have like, our pores have like holes in it that have to be constantly filled with moisture and protein. Whereas low porosity hair, you all have to manipulate your hair under like with peppermints and tea tree oils and things like that in order for your strands to open. So your hair is harder to absorb moisture and things without it being manipulated. If you just go and put moisture on it, it will just literally just sit there if you don't have something to first open it up, such as essential oils. So definitely just again find out what your porosity is, and then you'll definitely be able to manage your new growth as well as your breakage. Again, that is the key. There's no secrets. There's nothing other than that. Like, I promise you, if you do those few steps, you'll see that your hair will maintain what it needs to maintain. With that also being said, making sure that you find a protective style that's going to be able to keep that moisture in your hair. Do not have, like right now I have my hair down, but again, when I'm out and I'm about working and everything out in the earth, y'all, I don't even know what I meant by that, but when I'm out and about, I will pin my hair up with one pin and then go ahead and tuck it away, like tucking my ends away, because your ends are the oldest part of your hair. They tend to break off first. So tucking your hair away will maintain the moisture in your hair.
Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video.
So I'm done, ladies. I think I've given you every single tip that I know that I'm following at least right now, because again, everything is subjected to change. If you have any questions that I may not have mentioned that you are doing, or that that I may not have mentioned, comment down below. Let me know, let us know. Also, if there's things that you all are doing, definitely comment down below as well, because we are learning together. We want to know what's going on. I feel like I'm rambling now. I will see you dolls later. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and also comment down below. I will see you guys in another video. Mwah.